Hi, welcome to Excel tutorial channel. My name is Raman and today we will discuss about ROUNDDOWN function. ROUNDDOWN, as it defines as round a number down towards 0. Suppose you have this value and you don't want the decimal, or you want to reduce it to, let's say, 2 to 8.1 only, and you have loads of data like this, like thousands of entries like this, and you want, suppose your boss says you want to transform it to without decimals, or only you need a one digit after the decimal, then this will help you. This function will help you a lot and becomes very handy on day-to-day Excel life. So to get on to this, let's write the formula. Is equal to round down, open bracket. We have two arguments to fulfill. First is number and second is number digits, right? So number will be the value, of course, and second will be the num digits. What does it mean? Is the number of digits you want after a decimal in your new column. So I want only one. Let's say you want only 0.8 from the value. You can just write it 1 and close the bracket and click enter. There you got it. And you can also apply, click and drag and apply to all. Also, if you want, let's say your boss says, or if you don't want any digits after a decimal and you wanted a clear number without decimal, you can enter as 0, and those decimals will be get deleted, and the digits after decimal will get deleted, and you can drag and apply to all. You can also, if you want a number before your decimal to be the whole number, like I want 126060, I want this number like 1266, I want to transform it to 1260, then you can also click on -1 because the number is before the decimal. Then you can click -1 and click enter. Here it will convert the last digit towards 0, nearest 0. 1260, 1266 will become 1260, and same, click and drag, it will become this. Similarly, you want double zeros in your, like I have 1266, I want it to be, write it as 1200. Then you can click how many numbers you wanted to do that. Before decimal is 2, so it will become the -2, and click enter and it will become this. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video on Excel in future.